hello to everyone that's out there. Hopefully everyone can hear me. I'm in my car on the way to the gym. I'm starting this new journey, which is a weight loss journey. But what I wanted to discuss today really quick is talk about direct mail marketing, offline and online. I want to discuss people who aren't getting the results that they're looking for, basically what you're missing, because it's really simple. You just have to know certain things and you have to understand certain things. And I think that the main problem is people aren't willing to educate themselves about the platform that they're on. So I wanted to talk about offline. Can you do this business just offline and make a ton of money? And the answer is yes. Hey Tessica, thanks for joining me. Hey Miranda. You just have to know what you're doing. So the reason why I got into the industry with direct mail marketing is because it was a woman that was making a ton of money just doing offline, and that's what I wanted to do. And then of course I started to do online, but I was inspired by someone who was just doing offline marketing. So what I'm going to discuss tonight is I'm going to have a hangout and I'm going to talk about conversions, traffic and conversions, because you can have all of the traffic that you want. If your traffic is not converting, then you're not going to make sales. And that's the major part of this whole thing, is that you want the leads to convert into sales. And if they're not converting, there's something that you're missing. Everybody, hey Michelle, everybody can get leads. You can have as many leads as you want. You can send out 2,000, 3,000 flyers, 4,000 postcards. But if the people that are receiving the information is dead, which means they aren't looking for your business opportunity, they're not in your niche, it doesn't matter how much traffic you send out. Hey Tiffany. Hey Mark, thanks for tuning in. So what you want to really focus on is conversions. Conversions is the most important part of this entire process. People are telling me, listen, I'm in 30-day success formula. I sent out 2,000 leads. I'm in Cash Club. I'm in this. I'm in that. I'm in American Bill Money. I'm in Millionaire Mailer. How are you doing this? I'm sending out 500 leads. Nothing happened. You have to test the leads that you're sending out and know that all leads do not perform the same. So I'm going to say it again. All leads do not perform the same. You have some leads that are going to do very well, and you're going to have some leads that are going to do crappy. Just because you join an opportunity, it doesn't mean that they have the best leads, right? So what we want to do is we want to focus on leads that convert, who have the best leads, and it may not be getting you $1,000 every single time, but you want to get some type of cash return from those leads. And the way that you do that is you test the leads that you receive. So we're going to go over that today. I'm going to have a hangout tonight. If you want the link for the hangout, just send me a message and I'll give you the link for the hangout tonight, where I'm going to go over how I test leads, getting the highest conversion rates from the leads that you're sending out, and knowing when to not buy leads anymore from a certain program. If the leads that you're getting from a program is not converting, that means that it's time to switch up to something else. It doesn't mean the program isn't good. It just means that the lead source and the lead quality is not good. So we need to really understand the difference between when you have a good program and when you have a good lead source. And it doesn't mean you have a bad program if the leads that you're receiving isn't working. That goes for online and offline, okay? So offline and online applies the same. Both whether you're doing offline or online, both traffic sources need to be tested. That's why you test things before you know whether or not it's going to work and perform the way that you want. And then once you find a source that's working the way that you want, you scale up, right? You scale up and you send out more so that you can get a better response. You can make more money. So again, that's going to be tonight. We're going to have this hangout probably right around 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. I'm going to the gym, but as soon as I get back, I'll be sending that link out to everyone. I hope everyone is having a great day, and I hope this little bit of education helps people to really understand leads, traffic, conversions, how it all works, what's the most important part of the entire process, which is tracking, testing, and making sure that what you're using is converting. So again, that'll be tonight. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope everyone has a great day.